question 36 extra. You have some extra questions as regards question 36. You have two statements about quadrilaterals. Tick the box of the statement which is true. The first one says some rectangles are squares. You might wonder, how can rectangles be squares? Squares have all sides equal, but rectangles have the longer sides, which is the length, and shorter sides, which is the breadth. But in actual sense, some rectangles are squares, because a rectangle can have its length and its breadth as the same in length. That special kind of rectangle is a square. Let's bring back the quadrilateral hierarchy diagram to better understand this. We have it on the side here. We're talking about rectangles and squares. So rectangle is parent to square, and all squares are rectangles. That means some of the rectangles are actually squares. So using this diagram, we see that the first statement is correct. That is, some rectangles are squares. Those rectangles have their lengths and their breadths the same in length. So if the length is 5 centimeters, the breadth is also 5 centimeters. That's actually a square, and a square is under a rectangle. So some rectangles are actually squares. Hope you understand. The second question says not all rhombuses are kites. Not all rhombuses are kites. Kite is parent to rhombus. So all rhombuses fall under kites. And also, they also fall under parallelograms. You should note that. But we're discussing kites and rhombus in this case. So all rhombuses are kites, because kites are parents to rhombuses. So not all rhombuses are kites is wrong, because in actual sense, kite is parent to rhombus. Therefore, all rhombuses fall under kites, same as all rhombuses also fall under parallelograms. So this second statement is incorrect, so you leave it empty.